Dạ vâng. Dạ không ạ, em sẵn sàng rồi. Dạ vâng. Yes, thank you for your question. Firstly, thank you for inviting me to join this interview today. I am Bảo. I'm a manufacturing process research and development engineer at Samsung Electronics Vietnam. I focus on developing and enhancing the quality of visual display, and I have experience with projects such as the World Micro LED and TGV. My responsibility include failure analysis, experimental of design to identify the root cause of the problem, and I determine optimal mass production condition. I'm particularly adept as a problem solving, data analysis, and communication skill. I hold a bachelor degree from material science at Vietnam National University, where I specialize in nanotechnology. And I'm so excited about the opportunity to work in a talent team as a product quality engineer at Intel. And I believe that for this position will offer me a chance to grow and advancement that I'm not available with a current employer. Yes, that's all about me. Uh, is there any specific field or something? I know. Yeah. In general, I know semiconductor is a material is applied in many devices in microelectronics. It's allow the current to flow, or it can prevent the current flow when we apply a different voltage or current. Yes, based on the property and character of its semiconductor material, we can processing and manufacturing many device can apply in the electronics field. I think so. Yeah. Yes, as I find in Intel have a wide range of products in the semiconductor field, like the memories, CPU, PC, and yes, memory, PC, CPU, and some software program. Yes, processor as well. Mm, yes, during my time at Samsung, I was facing with some critical problem related to abnormal lighting issue on the circuit board, and I also work with many different departments like engineers or technician or quality control specialist, and every team have a different viewpoint, and to deal that problem we have to find the middle ground, and to solve that problem we have to find the root cause. But at that time, quality control specialist will have other opinion. At that department, they prefer to avoid the timeline delay in production. but from our team, R&D team, want to resolve extremely the problem. So for production, we will prefer to avoiding delay in timeline production. So at the time, we have to follow their opinion, and we will prioritize the timeline and keep the and we'll try to resolve the issue later. But I think, yeah, at that time we priority to the timeline production first. Yes, because that effect significantly makes the yield loss in production. And from my point of view, I think we have to resolve that issue first to make sure other sample or other product will not meet that trouble again. From my role, yes. Yes, in my opinion, at that time, uh, we know that we must priority production first, and we try to apply or design some experiment effect as least as possible on the production to reduce the defect as much as we can. Yes, yeah, yes, yeah. Um, my current job, most of tasks is related to electrical electronics, and my background wasn't there. I was in material science, so every day I have to face on the electrical issue. So for this issue, I can not clear was unclear. I tried to seek in help from my college and my leader or online resources to find a solution for that question. I try to collaboration and open communication with other expertise in this field, and I would like to get their opinion or their guidance to finish my task. Yeah. What did I do to resolve the unclear problem? Yes. Uh, yes, when I approach an unclear problem, I I typically to breaking down into smaller part and manageable component that help me identify the what can I do first. Yeah, from other side, if I unclear, I will ask related department or related person in charge to help me uh, cover or guide me how to do that. And after I clear of understanding that problem, I will develop a plan of action to uh, to resolve that problem step by step. Yes. Mm. Yes, for my current job, I have to work with various departments, and I also have to work with a supplier of vendor. Yeah, because our product have to we peel from the concept to mass production, so have many issues during the incoming material. Yes, yeah, at that time, I have to work with a vendor, the supplier from China, Singapore, Korea. Yeah, um, and current issue I face is that the material come to Vietnam, but it have some problem as custom clearance. So I have to uh, contact to the import team in Samsung, and I also contact to the supplier to support us to deal that problem. That's from the external relationship. From the internal relationship in the Samsung, uh, due to the delay in material coming, is impact on the production timelines. So I have to explain the current situation for production team, planner team that have some problem with our material, and I yeah. Yes. Uh, uh, yes. For building. Yes, I'm clear now. Thank you. Yeah. Every relationship in a working, I try to actively communication and open communication, and I try to collaboration with other people, uh, and if we met any problem, I try to understand the person and looking for a way we can um, deal that problem. And for building my relationship in working area, I'm willing to support other co-worker if I available at that time. Yeah. when I met a trouble, I generally I will identify the root cause first. To do with that, I will divide problem into smaller things that I can manage them, and then I identify what is the main problem. What is the main problem, and I priority to deal with that first, and step by step until other things that I can solve. If in the case I can solve that problem, I will seek in a help from my college or my boss to help me to deal with it. uh, the method to deal problem. Yeah. Yeah. mm, yes. The most issue I was facing is the abnormal lighting in the circuit board, and my team on and it's leading to significant production yield loss, and my team were struggling to find a solution. Uh, to identify that problem, I took initiatively cross-function team with other department, quality department and technician, and I approached with uh, a thorough analysis, utilizing some advanced equipment for analyzing, like using microscopy, thermal camera. Um, IV inspection is related to how to resolve the circuit board, and I also proceed a parameter adjustment and equipment modification. I regularly uh, I regularly communicate with my team and my manager, keeping them informed about the progress and addressing any concern. Um, that's thing I I I do when I met a problem, when I resolve a problem. Yeah, I have a patient with I think in the semiconductor field. So in the 5 or 10 years, I want to be expert in that field, and I would like to uh, explore more knowledge in that field and gain more experience from the experience college. And I would prefer to can be a person can guide other member in the future. Mm, yes. Yeah. And more specific in the semiconductor field, I would like to uh, expand my knowledge in the process of manufacture material, semiconductor material. something related to the quality of material and the process to create. Yeah. Circuit. Yeah. Yeah. I have several priority about a semiconductor material. First of all, the LED. Yeah, the LED, the chip, and the printed circuit board. And three material is a component of the visual display. So I'm eager to uh, learn more about LED chip and PCB. And chip, I mean PCB and chip is a different. Yeah. Yes. I think that a broader quality engineer alive perfect with my career goal, because uh, to become a product quality, we have to know. I think we have to know all of component of material inside that product. So from that position, I think I can learn more about the product and some component inside them, and I think it will help me to improve my experience and my skill in the semiconductor material. Yeah. Mm. Yeah. Yeah. from the top in Samsung is it's related to LED. Is the it very small thing in the whole product we conduct. Yeah, because if we want to run a production, we have to handle many things out of the LED. Yes, so not only LED, I would like to expand more knowledge in the various field like the CPU as a product quality engineer, and I'm seeking a challenge in the new role. Where can I grow in the advancement of the cutting edge technology? So yeah, I already clarified the job description from the product energy. So I'm open to work as an I open to work and open to work for the CPU or some product as Intel or some product your team is working on. Yes, because you say that your team is working on the CPU, right? Yeah. So could you provide me more detail about the um, specific product in the CPU or technology and so on? Yes. Yeah. Uh, yeah. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Mm. Yes. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Yes. Mm. Yes. Yeah. Mm. Yes. Yeah. Thank you. And following your information, we have to your team have to work in a diversity department to solve the problem of the product. Yes. So one more question is, what is the quality and skill or have a new member in your team can handle and can handle this work the more effectively? Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. 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 Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Thank you so much. Yeah. Mm. Yes, from the soft skill and technical skill that you said, if the candidate have a strong foundation about soft skill and about the technical skill, the new candidate can be trained and learn from the experienced colleagues or from the leader. So, yes, so I wonder how long will be trained for a new member about the technical skill. The member will learn and practice during the time in the first 1 or 2 months when they apply. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Yes. Right. Yes. 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 Yeah. Mm. 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 Yeah. Mm. Yeah. Mm. Yes. Mm. Yes. Mm. Yes. Very. Mm. Mm. Yes. Very thank you for your sharing. Yeah. So, uh, yeah, no, that's all my concern. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Yes. Thank you so much. Yeah. Goodbye. Yeah.